at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
What's up, everybody? Andrew here from Let's Park It, and we're back again at Six Flags. But guess what? We're bringing some friends. We're gonna meet up with Nick and Jimmy from MouseVibes because they haven't been to the park in about 20 years, maybe 12. I don't know, but we're gonna see which one of them chickens out first and all the crazy roller coasters here. So let's get inside. Let's ride some rides. And as always, let's park it, guys. See you inside. All right, everybody, I'm here with Nick from MouseVibes and Jimmy over here. And it's been how many years since you've been here?
20 years.
And you've never been on Goliath because why?
Because I chickened out both times, but 20 years later, I'm getting my revenge.
Are you sure? Because we're about to go on it. What's your feeling? How high is your heart rate? And are you ready for the 200-foot drop?
How far?
All right, guys, let's get it. Let's gray out on Goliath. MouseVibes, how you feeling? What are your thoughts?
I'm nervous.
How nervous? On a scale of 1 to 11.
I got 127 beat per minute. You're supposed to be at 90.
Are you nervous?
Kind of pumping right now.
Oh, we got... All right. All right, guys, we just conquered Goliath. How you feeling, Jimmy?
That was awesome.
It's been 20 years, right?
It's been at least 15.
15 years. What'd you think of it?
I mean, I don't remember a lot of it, but the drop, best part. The second drop, best part. The G thing.
Oh, it's amazing.
Insane.
But this guy, you survived. What'd you think?
I'm sweaty.
Sweaty?
I'm scared. I was petrified.
Well, you did it. That's it.
Nick almost bailed for a third time.
Third time. We weren't going to let him do that, though.
I can't do that as a 30-year-old man.
All right, everybody. We're about to get on my favorite roller coaster here. These two have never done it before. I'm very excited to see what you guys think of I call it one of the best roller coasters in the country.
Really?
Yes. Twisted Colossus. Here we go. I'm excited for you guys. Let's do this. See you guys there. All right, on a scale of 1 to 10, are you nervous for this one?
Nah, I'm excited for this one. This one looks dope.
So we're like, nerves are gone.
I think the nerves are gone. Yeah, Goliath settled us, but I'm excited to see what this coaster does.
Yeah, we're ready for this.
Fun.
It's gonna be a blast.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
You guys just survived. Twisted Colossus. First thoughts right now. Let's go.
That was the most insane. That was the best ride.
I know. We're going to go on again.
I get why they call me Coaster Nick.
That's right. Batman, here we come. We're here with Roller Coaster Nick and Jet Ski Jimmy. You guys ready to Batman it up?
I'm Batman. I'm Batman.
Where's your capes?
You're Batman.
You're Batman? Who are you?
I'm Batman.
Okay, let's do this, guys. I'm ready to...
Victory! I'm Batman.
All right, everybody, we're about to go on Batman the Ride at Six Flags Magic Mountain. Here we go. Are you guys ready? Ready? My belt came off. Just kidding. You guys ready to go on the drop? Let's go. These guys are chicken. Here we go, everybody.
Time of the day, we're gonna do...
I don't want to go on this.
I was
Don't want to do this, but we have to do this. It's not a want thing, it's a have to. Because the footy, the sick footy, bro.
For the good of the film.
For the good of the, yeah. Do it for the art.
Today your love field is forever, and this may very well be the high point of your insignificant existence.
I'm gonna just put my arm up this side. Here we go. Here it comes.
Here we go.
We survived the drop of doom. Most of us survived. Nick, are you still up there at the top?
I peed my pants. Where can I get some pants?
Anywhere. We got 50% off. All right, everyone's reaction. Well,
Hey,
how'd you think?
What a view, but the drop was scary. It's more intense, like the suspense of them just hanging you up there.
Yeah, that's it. And we had a good amount of anxiety in the beginning because they weren't letting us up right away.
Can't even talk.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it was pretty fun. So let's go on some more rides. Okay, cool. Bye. All right, last ride of the day. X2. Are you guys ready for this? Is X gonna give it to you?
X gonna give it to you.
Am I gonna get demonetized from this one too?
No, you're good, you're good.
I'm good. All right.
But first you gotta rock, then you gotta roll.
A round of applause. How do you feel? Exactly.
Here we go. And here comes the ground.
Got off of X2 wherever we are in the world. Guys, what'd you think?
Wait till
Coaster
you see
Squad.
the video. Wait till I am so stoked to be on the ground.
Like, do you even know where we are right now?
Santa Clarita.
I think we're on planet Earth.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, so what's your thoughts? Like, I want to hear that thing.
That ride, as soon as we dropped down facing forward, my chest plate went from clink to open one notch, and I thought I was gonna die.
Love it. Perfect. So basically, it's the best ride ever.
That was cool. That was cool.
Yeah.
Would you ride it again right now?
I would.
I'm down right now. If you ask me tomorrow, I'm not getting on it. Today I would.
All right, guys, you heard it first. Go on this ride. It's pretty good. All right, everybody. That's it from us for Six Flags Magic Mountain. We conquered some fears. For some of us, we had a great time. Guys, what'd you think? Did you guys have fun today?
I had a blast.
We had a blast today. What was your favorite ride here at Six Flags Magic Mountain?
Colossus.
Twisted Colossus. Come on, what's everyone's favorite ride? Come on.
End it with X was
X gonna give it to you? Come on, DJ.
X as well.
X, I like Twisted Colossus. But anyways, guys, that's it for us today. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. But you know what? We're done. So remember to let's park it, guys. See you later. Bye, guys.